And would you say there's a difference between having sex and bird watching?
Bird watching? What kind of birds?
Well, there, look behind you.
How is ladies?
And if you had a hobby like bird watching, would that be more interesting than sex?
Bird watching?
Yeah.
No.
Like us tonight, we're bird watching up and down Temple Bar here tonight.
You have to have the glasses and the specs. Bird watching.
Between bird watching and having sex.
I don't know, but bird watching sounds
My
pretty
God,
boring.
she's done a lot of bird watching. I don't
Bird
think there's
watching
been much of
sounds
the other
pretty
thing.
bloody boring to me. What's that?
Is there a difference between bird watching and having
Bird
sex?
watching?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think this is a huge
It's not a joke.
This is a
Here's
huge
the question. What's more interesting? Having sex or bird watching?
Bird watching.
What do you think is more interesting, bird watching or having sex?
Having sex!
Having sex?
Yeah!
What's more enjoyable? Having sex or bird watching?
A what?
Having sex or bird watching?
Having sex? What's bird watching?
What's bird watching?
Bird watching.
You have to say it differently. But
Bird watching. Bird watching.
what's more enjoyable, bird watching or having sex? Come on, mother-in-law.
Well, I've never had bird watching before.
Have you not?
For having sex.
Okay, if you had two hobbies that you could take up, one was sex and one was bird watching, which one do you think would be more interesting?
Bird watching, definitely.
See? He got the answer right. Bird watching and sex.
Bird watching.
Which is most exciting?
Definitely bird watching.
Sex.
You like a bit of bird watching?
Train spotting.
Definitely
Train spotting.
Yeah, you gotta spot those trains.
Sex and bird watching. Which is more exciting?
The bird watching.
The bird watching. What's more interesting, bird watching or having sex?
Obviously having sex. Yeah, where's the peacock? Fuck that peacock. Take it up the ass. Take it up the ass.